Hey cuties, it's Queen. Today I want to make one of my favorite snacks, perfect for our active and on-the-go lifestyles. What is it? Trail mix. Okay, I know what you're saying. There are literally 20 different variations of trail mix at the grocery store. But peep this. I'm a control freak. I literally like to control everything that goes into my body. And as an elite athlete, I kind of have to. So instead of going through store-bought trail mix and picking out things that I don't like, why don't we just make our own, right? Come on, let's get started. For the base of my trail mix, I'm gonna start with nuts. The first one will be peanuts. I really like peanuts. I mean, you can get them honey roasted, you can get them lightly salted, whatever you like, honestly, because you're doing it yourself. In order to keep the sodium down, I'm just using plain peanuts. Next, I'm gonna add some pistachios. These are probably my favorite nuts. I mean, there's something about cracking a pistachio that's just super it feels good, right? Add a little bit of that to the mix. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of pumpkin seeds. These are not only reserved just for Halloween. You can add them all time of year. Bam. Now that I have a really good base of nuts, I want to add a little dried fruit because I love a little twinge of sweet when I'm eating my savory snacks. First up is a little bit of dried cranberry. Try to go for a version that isn't artificially sweetened in order to keep the calories down and limit the sugar intake. Now I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of dried pineapples to add even more sweetness to my dish. Last for my sweet factor is going to be a little bit of raisins. Not only does this add extra sweetness, it also adds another color to your palate. Now that I have this really good base, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seeds. I know people usually don't add sesame seeds to their trail mix, but you would be surprised when you hear all the health and nutrition benefits. We're not done. Have you ever seasoned your trail mix? I know that sounds crazy. We season chicken, we season meat, we season all these things, but have you ever seasoned your trail mix? If not, we're gonna do it today. The seasonings I'm gonna use are garlic powder. I'm gonna use a little curry. I like to use curry because of the turmeric in it. It has great anti-inflammatory properties. Next, I'm gonna add a little cumin. Sprinkle it to however much you like. And this is my secret weapon, smoked paprika. Oh my gosh, it literally almost tastes like barbecue potato chips without all the guilt. Now mix it all up. You want to make sure that the seasonings get on the whole thing so that you get the flavor in each bite. Now give it a taste. That is so good, and I'm not just saying that. And that's all. Thank you so much for joining me for another one of Queen's Quick Tips. Until next time, peace.